We got the sky full of them. I just let the 2020s out just because 19s just messing them up. Got a bunch of lazies up there, but this is like their Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, fourth or fifth time out. That was the day I didn't get them in there. Get them in the air, I mean. But they're coming together. I still got a couple babies I held back just because, you know, they ain't figured the trap out yet. But I still got babies coming. I don't know when I'm gonna stop breeding. Guess when I fill all these bands up. When they fly, they ain't flying long. I got to the point where I'm pushing them up a little bit. Just kind of scaring them out and getting them in the air a little bit. Because they know where home is. Wish I had a little bit more of a open area. Because they fly real tight circles in the beginning. They don't get to venture out. Could be worse. Couldn't be able to fly them at all. They coming together. All right, I'm out. Quick video.